In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Yahoo Mail layout to best suit your personal preferences. Let's dive right in and make sure your email experience is as streamlined and efficient as possible. First, you'll want to open Yahoo Mail and sign in to your account. Once you've accessed your inbox, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see a small icon that looks like a gear. This is your settings icon. Clicking on this will allow us to start making the changes we need to customize your email viewing experience. After selecting the settings icon, you'll be presented with a menu that contains a variety of options. Our focus today will be on the appearance settings. Sometimes you may need to go into more settings before you see the appearance option, so don't worry if you have to navigate through a couple of clicks to find it. Once you find the appearance section, click on it and you'll see all the layout options we have to choose from. Now let's talk about these layout options, as each offers a different way of viewing your emails. This flexibility is fantastic because you can choose whatever suits your workflow the best. The first option is the list view. This displays only your email list, which means you need to double-click on a message to open it and read it in full. This is great for those who like a simple, uncluttered inbox view or prefer opening their emails one at a time. Next, we have the right layout. In this setup, your email list remains on the left side of the screen, while a preview pane opens up on the right as soon as you click on an email. This option allows you to simultaneously see the list of your emails and preview the content of a selected message, which can save you a bit of time if you're quickly scanning through several messages. Finally, there's the bottom layout option. This setup also keeps your emails listed on the left side of the inbox, but the preview pane for reading messages opens up at the bottom of the screen. This can provide a little more vertical space if that's what you prefer, and it can be especially useful on widescreen monitors. Once you've chosen the layout that you feel will serve you best, simply click back to the inbox. By doing so, you'll save your changes and return to the main view of your Yahoo Mail. It's as simple as that. And there you have it, everything you need to know to adjust the layout of your Yahoo Mail. This little bit of customization can make a huge difference in your daily email management, helping you stay organized and efficient. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.